Located in Palo Alto, California, the greenhouse is a renovation and expansion project of a mid-century modern home originally designed by Aaron Green, a protégé of Frank Lloyd Wright. Built in 1966 by Eichler Homes, the house retained many of its original elements that reflect the modernist architectural style of that era. Initially spanning 1,590 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on a 1/3 acre lot, the home needed an expansion to accommodate a young family with 3 children. When the renovation began, the house remained nearly untouched, with custom-designed furniture that was salvaged and reintegrated into the new design. The primary challenge of this project was to add significant living space while preserving the integrity and character of the original architecture. To achieve this, Schwartz and Architecture adopted the guiding principle: first, do no harm. This approach ensured that every design decision was made with careful consideration of the home's existing aesthetics and historical value. One of the most complex aspects of the project was how to nearly double the home's size without disrupting its architectural identity. The original house featured a distinctive spider-like roof structure with sculptural scuppers that were a defining visual element. Any addition had to feel like a natural extension rather than a disconnected expansion. The first design move was to cut the existing downward-sloping roof beams mid-span and introduce a rear extension running the entire length of the house capped with an upward-sloping roof. This not only provided additional space, but also improved natural lighting and raised the ceiling height in previously dark and enclosed areas like the kitchen and bedrooms. The transition between the old and new structures was utilized to create concealed lighting coves, adding a soft ambient glow to the interiors. One of the major upgrades involved the home's original carport. The existing structure was too low for modern family vehicles and no longer met local building codes. To resolve this, the architects raised the roofline at the front, creating a new carport that met contemporary standards. Additionally, part of the original carport was converted into a sunken family room, a classic mid-century design feature that fosters a cozy and intimate gathering space. To provide more private living quarters, a new primary bedroom suite was added at the rear of the home. A prominent board-formed concrete wall was introduced to frame this new addition. This element draws inspiration from the home's original concrete block walls, ensuring visual continuity between old and new. While the addition was designed to be deferential to the existing structure, the architects gave its roof a distinct character. The use of Clerestory windows makes the new space feel lighter, while the roofline continues to frame views of the iconic scuppers as they touch the ground. These careful design choices ensure that the modern interventions stand out while still respecting the home's original essence. Through a thoughtful and restrained design approach, this renovation successfully provides the additional space needed for a growing family without compromising the integrity of the original home. Every design decision was made with the guiding question, what would Mr. Green do? Ensuring that the expansion feels like a natural evolution rather than an intrusion. The result is a home that not only functions better for modern living, but also remains a tribute to its architectural legacy. With improved lighting, expanded living areas, and a seamless connection between the old and the new, the greenhouse stands as an inspiring example of how careful renovations can enhance a home without sacrificing its original design vision.